Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Global Nurse Stories. It's me again, Blessing. Thank you for the likes, thank you for sharing the past videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for more content, especially in nursing related to foreign nurses in diaspora. So today I want to talk briefly on the requirements to become a board-certified psychiatric mental health nurse in the United States. So this video is focusing on a registered nurse working within the psychiatric mental health nursing setting that wants to become a board certified. This certification is being offered by ANCC, which is the American Nursing Credentialing Center. It is the largest credentialing center for nurses in the United States. So they also offer it for the advanced practice nurses. But this video is actually focusing on registered nurses, not the advanced practice nurse. So what are the requirements? The first requirement is you must be a registered nurse. A registered nurse meaning you have already passed your NCLEX. And secondly, you must be working within the mental health setting or facility. And you must have at least 2 years of experience within that specialty, within the psychiatric mental health nursing specialty. At least 2 years or 2,000 hours. You must have put in at least 2,000 hours or 2 years of practice within that particular setting, which is psychiatric mental health nursing specialty. So after that, the next thing is to get 30 contact hours. 30 contact hours in continuous education within the field of psychiatry. At least 30 contact hours, and it must be specific to psychiatry. So once you have all these 3 major requirements, which is you have your license to practice as a nurse within the United States, you have put in at least 2,000 hours into practice within psychiatry or 2 years of practice within psychiatry. Then thirdly, you have 30 continuous education, 30 contact hours continuous education within psychiatry. So you are good to go. The next thing is for you to go straight to ANCC website. And ANCC also offer for the advanced practice nurse, but you have to look very carefully to make sure you are picking the one that is meant for just the registered nurse. So you go there, you pick it, and you start your application. You have to create a profile with them, then you start your application where they are going to ask you some basic information about yourself, about your nursing education, and about your nursing practice, after which you'll be required to pay a particular amount of money, depending if you are already a member of ANA, which is American Nursing Association, because ANA is a broad organization in which ANCC is a subsidiary to. So if you have a membership with American Nursing Association, there is a discount for you. So the price, everything is on the website. Then you go ahead and make that payment, and after that, the next thing is for you to start preparing for your exam while you expect them to send you your authorization to test. For NCLEX exam, Pearsonville administer NCLEX exam. But for this board certification, it is Prometrics. Prometrics that offer it, that administer it on behalf of ANCC. So what is the difference between the NCLEX RN exam and this board certification exam. Board certification exam is just a way for you to show that you are very proficient in this particular specialty where you're working. But NCLEX RN exam is general for you to be able to practice as a nurse. Is universal for everybody that wants to be a nurse. You have to do it. This, you don't have to do it, but if you feel you need a step, you want to go a step further in your specialty, which I'm using psychiatric mental specialty as an example now, because they offer it. I've done a video on different certification you can get, but because I'm a board certified psychiatric mental health nurse, that is the reason why I'm doing this particular one. So yeah, you want more, you want to show that you are an expert in this particular specialty, then you can do it. You can do it to show that you are an expert. By the time you pass the exam, then you'll be able to get the board certified behind your credentials. So NCLEX RN exam, you cannot go back and review questions and all that, but in this particular one, you can go back to review the question that you already answered. And this exam is just 150 questions. It's also 150 questions. 25 questions are demo questions. 125 will actually be graded. So, and it's also a pass or fail exam, just like NCLEX. But you'll be able to get your test reports if you did not pass, showing you your weak areas and your strong areas. But if you pass, you'll be able to get your pass results, and you get your certification in the mail. They send it to you in the mail, which is renewable every 5 years. For NCLEX, you have to renew your license depending on your state board. My state board, I renew my license every 2 years. But for this certification, you renew it every 5 years, of which there are requirements to be met before renewal. Also CE, but it's more than the CE you needed for your RN renewal. So RN license renewal. So for this, I think you need 75 continuous education within that 5 years that you last got your certification for you to be able to be recertified, or you go back to retest the exam. So I hope with this video you've been able to get clue on what to do if you actually want to pursue this route, like you want to get your certification. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. I can send you the link. And for the CE, you can get CEs from accredited providers, rn.com, Leaping Courts, and all that. You can get them there. Print your transcripts, because you need to print your transcript, because sometimes the ANCC might choose you for audit. They want to see, they can request 1 or 2 documents from you before they give you your authorization to test. That's the reason why you have to print your transcripts for the CE that you do, and you have all your certificates and your license number and everything ready in case they call for it. But it's very rare, but they do. Audit can happen, but not that often. So those are the things that you need to know about getting this certification. And I believe I've been able to provide some information you need to be able to pursue this route. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. See you. Bye.